friends! Today in this video, we'll introduce you to an amazing device that will ensure a good maintenance treatment with an effective hair removal technique. The device is the Lumea Prestige from Philips. It is designed in order to solve all your body hair removal issues. The Lumea is definitely a high-tech device, specially designed for all women facing challenges in case of body hair removal. Lumea is a smooth and handheld gun device that is very light and comfortable to use. It is body and skin friendly too. When you use it, you can enjoy up to 8 weeks of hair-free skin. The device uses intense pulse light that targets the root of the hair. The device picks the right setting based on your skin tone. At the same time, Lumea works on the removal of the hair in such a way that the regrowth is prevented from the roots. Simply hold the device at the 90-degree angle and then ready light will get illuminated in case of a correct setting and position. You will get to see 2 flashes, including stamp flash, which is for smaller area, and slide flash, which is for larger areas. You can also line up the treatment window so that you don't miss a spot. It enables you to treat the spots including the body, underarms, bikini, and face. Lumea ensures 4x treatments and you can try it once in every 2 weeks. Philips Lumea is one of its kind, especially when it comes to preventing body hair regrowth. To watch more such updates on technology and innovation, subscribe to our channel and thank you for watching our video.